So you can go somewhere else so that it will get refreshed. Then you can go to print. You'll get all this, like whatever the files in the
VIC 2 no?
Yes, ma'am. This one is the G code.
Okay,
Just
okay.
now we have this. So just click on that and start
Okay,
showing
then
how much time it will take.
Play.
So just this is the play. Click on that to play.
Scan it.
So it takes 12 minutes.
Yeah, now it's showing, no?
Yeah, no, on the time it
On
didn't
the
say
time it
properly.
came.
It came only like this one. It came.
12 minutes.
Now it is going to start.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bed is going up.
Even now, if it is not working, then it might be leveling problem. So this printer is working perfectly.
Okay.
The only thing we have to learn how to work on this.
That's why we didn't touch up to now, ma'am.